Substituting resource features. The substitute resource feature is helpful if you're partway through building a project and decide you need to swap one resource for another. If you want to use a different piece of machinery, for example, simply select the resource to be replaced, click Substitute Resource, enter the replacing resource here, and you're done. The Use in Project column will confirm this. So now, wherever the smaller truck was used, the larger truck is now used in its place. This feature is also helpful if multiple resources have accidentally been set up for essentially the same thing, like what you see here. You can click and drag to select multiple resources. Click Substitute, and then consolidate the usage into one resource. The duplicate resources can now be deleted. To find out more about this feature, have a look at the relevant links provided in the description box below. Our in-house customer support specialists are here to help you 24/7 every day of the year.